A Filipino man waits in anguish as the outcome of the upcoming surgery will determine his fate.
Nakapalaking bagay sa akin itong pag-opera ng mga mata ko. Nabigyan ng liwanag sa mundo na naman. Ganun na parang ka na kasing bulag dati, di ba? Kasi alis wala kang makita, puro alis basyado, maulap. Pero bagong liwanag naman ng buhay, ang martitikma ko, ganyan, maranasan ko.
Harold had just completed a 26-year prison sentence. He developed cataracts while incarcerated and upon re-entering society, struggled to support himself as he was penniless and completely blind. He turned to the Tsuchiai Center in the Philippines for help. Though cataract surgery is common, for impoverished patients it can feel like a gamble.
Itong mga PDL, akala nila wala nang papansin sa kanila. Napakaswerte natin na kapag bibigay tayo ng tulong. Gagawin natin lahat na makakaya natin. Huwag ka lang mawala ng paningin.
Since 2023, the Tsuchiai Center has treated 100 inmates and completed 75 cataract and retinal surgeries. Its efforts have also extended to the education sector.
There are still payments and all. Unlike the facilities here, everything is almost free.
The Tsuchiai Center partnered with 2 school alumni associations to offer cataract screenings.
Hirap sa araw-araw na gawain. Ang hirap, hindi ka kailangan nag-uutos pa ako. Dati hindi naman.
Kailangan alalayan lagi yung asawa ko, nahihirapan din mga anak ko. Hindi din magawa yung mga ibang gawain sa bahay.
Charitable medical care is not driven by cost, but by a commitment to help patients and their families feel whole again. ITV reports.